The 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause prohibits state and local governments from treating certain persons or classes of persons differently from others without sufficient justification. In Hunter v. Erickson, we explore the intersection of the Equal Protection Clause and regulations on the political process. In 1964, the City Council of Akron, Ohio, enacted a fair housing ordinance prohibiting housing discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. The ordinance also created a commission to enforce the prohibitions. But in response to the ordinance, Akron voters amended the city's charter. The amendment stated that any council ordinance regulating the sale or rental of real property on the basis of race, color, religion, national origin, or ancestry must be approved by a majority of voters at a general election, and the amendment was retroactive. The adopted rule was more stringent than the general rule that council ordinances became effective 30 days after passage by the council and were only subject to voter approval if 10% of voters timely petitioned for a vote. Nellie Hunter, a black woman, filed a complaint under the Fair Housing Ordinance, alleging racial discrimination. She was informed that the ordinance was ineffective because of the charter amendment. Hunter then filed suit on behalf of herself and others against Akron's mayor, Edward Erickson, and other city officials. She sought a writ of mandamus directing Erickson to convene the commission and requiring the commission to enforce the ordinance. The trial court denied the writ, finding the ordinance ineffective. The Ohio Supreme Court affirmed, holding that the charter amendment was valid and didn't violate the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.